You got left.
There you go, sir. Window. Got the party. Go. I'm gonna go in this way.
Okay, I'll go this way.
Are we gonna go to the warehouse?
Which way you want? Alright.
Come on, man.
That's a bad idea. Yeah, I figure you're right in it.
Really bad idea. Here, this is fun, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna watch your picture.
Alright, band's right across there.
Oh, I got both of you. I got both of you. That's what I thought.
There's no way you didn't get them. Huh?
Oh, okay. Okay. I see where they are. Hey. There's two in there. Hey. Hey, come on, I got you covered. Come back. Okay, we gotta get out of this corner.
Yeah, we do. Want to push around that way? To the left?
Go to the barn yet? Or go to the barn? I'll cover your back when you do it.
Alright.
Saves? Alright, we're good.
Just make sure you check for bands when you shoot them. He's on our team.
Hey, that room is hot. Watch out.
Oh, almost got me.
That was close.
We're good. We're good. Save. There's two kids in there right now. I didn't get a fan, really?
Here he is. I know I got you.
Oh, really?
Whoa, where are we getting shot from?
Alright, one's down to the room.
You were out! Go back to your respawn!
I hit that kid twice over
He
there.
held his hands up, said he was out, turned around and shot me.
Yeah. I hit him twice already.
No, no.
Hey, you should go in, because I've got him pinned down. Just run in there.
Can we get him through this one more? We can't go through that.
No?
No, we gotta do this one.
Bands?
There, you see the blue helmets and ours over here to the right?
If they have bands on, no. I'm in the barn.
Ready, set, go.
I'll make it. I got it. Get back, get down, get down.
I'm not thinking that either. Hey, how many we got down there?
Oh shit, whoa, missed me. Watch out.
Are they at the end of the hallway?
No, there's one right around the corner. I got one.
I had one, it like hit off the back of my hat. I felt it. I was like, woo!
Alright, dude, I'm gonna go target. I got the fight. Okay, well.
Are they down this way?
Well, they're at the end of the hallway. Like behind the window.
Yeah, they're still at the window.
Right?
They're still at the window.
Alright. You got this place covered?
Yeah.
I'll be right.
Hey Bryce, where you at?
Right side, top. Some tower. Some in the hallway right here.
Be careful. To the very far of the hallway to the right is in the window. So if you go that way, you gotta run.
This way?
Yeah, if you don't go that way, there's a kid at the window. Hold on, around the corner. Oh shit, my bad, come on. You're good, you're on my team. No, wait a minute. Did I hit you? Hey! There's a kid. They're coming from this way. Look, they're around the window. There's a kid coming through this way.
This way?
Yeah, I shot him right in the chest and he surrendered me, so I just walked away. Bryce, you have to go with me left, dude. There's two kids over here. There was one right through that door. Oh. He's good?
How many we got here?
Huh?
Wanna rush up?
I'm gonna go left and go right. Go. Do what?
We're gonna get shot by our team.
She's on our team.
We're team.
Team.
Always got two in it, down again.
Good. Window's good.
Team.
Who's shooting at us? Yeah. You wanna go across to the room? Yeah, go. Go.
Dude, you're dead! You cannot be not dead!
You didn't hit me.
Dude, really?
Yes.
Come on.
I got you. Right in the ass.
Surrender. Surrender. Go. I
I've got the one in the left.
You want to go that way?
Yeah. Ow, let me see myself. That was drum.
Surrender. Gotcha.
What about that window?
He's right through there. Oh, fuck. You got me. Right through the window. Right as you go to the window, to the left.
Yeah.
I got hit.
Get his ass?
I got like 3 guys. I'm not really sure where we respawn at, so I just went to the back of the room and came back. I forgot where they said respawn at.
Yeah.
Right in the back. Right in the back.
I swear to God, if they don't even know. Did you get out too?
No, I'm good.
No, you're friend.
Move back up, dude. They're right there in the corner. Right there.
What corner?
Yeah, dude.
In that?
Yeah.
I think he's out that window. No.
That little girl got hurt, so I was letting her out.
This is my second time.
What happened?
That little girl she got shot in her knee. You probably didn't feel it.
Yeah.
But I shot about 16 people. I don't know where you were at. I ran up.
I've got like 7 or 8 guys. Alright, I'll go with you. Alright.
Okay, listen. You feel like exactly
Excuse me.
Okay, where?
Edge cover, edge cover.
Keep pushing this right side hallway. Watch this side. I'm moving straight the whole time.
Oh, your same team. Same team.
This is a perfect day.
Do what?
Everyone always has to stay here.
Get him, get him.
Surrender! Go out!
There we go. Got me. There's like 4 coming around the corner. They got 4 coming around the corner.
Okay.
Where do we respawn? Let's go outside and come back in, or what?
What?
Where do we respawn at? Right here?
Or door, but whatever. I don't care.
There's like a group of like 5 of them come around that corner.
Tower, one of us.
No, you're dead.
Here, we got you.
You are dead.
This game.
It's like, don't even fake it. I shot you in the forehead. Again. It's like, dude.